Hello! I have something here. Right there. You can't see it yet, because I'm not ready to show it to you, see? But it is the toy bird of revelation. Oh, I said not yet. Some sort of metaphysical experience, I expect. Just stare deeply. Look at this. Logical side. Creative side. Close your eyes, you can't tell, but I'm closing my eyes. Now they're open, now they're closed, now they're open, now they're closed. Or are they? Schrodinger's eyes. Reveal to me! Reveal! I don't know what sets these things off. Okay. Seems like a dud. Anyway. I just put it here and just have a talk. Over on the logical side. Or on the creative side. Well, right in the middle. Hi, how you doing? Oh. My little buddy. Oh! Nah. This is not a confessional. I mean, it's not like you can't know. We're friends. You've watched 30 of these, haven't you? You're watching the 30th now, so you've watched 29 and a portion. Once you've done watching this, then you'll have watched 30. Because this is the 30th. That's okay. You understood. Co-worker of mine. Asked me some advice. About should she do something? Should she do something? That was an insanely bad idea. Insanely bad. Including ceasing the boss is boss. If you send something to the boss, you don't CC the boss's boss. That's just asking for trouble. Should I do it? Should I do it? Wow, you sound really bad. Was my reply. Instead of, no, that is a terrible idea. That is the worst idea you've ever had. So I didn't say that. I said, wow, you sound really mad. And so she sent it. And now the boss hates her. And the boss's boss is mad too. Oh, reveal.